Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now Dwayne seemed to be sick, and his cousin was on the page to call his family, so he's saying that it's a good thing that his cousin was on his page, or else people would not believe him. Go over and check out his video, and please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and check out the store, and also check out the membership. You can go ahead and purchase membership. Thank you, and have a wonderful, wonderful Monday morning. Thank you.
I couldn't say one of you people on here. Oh, I know for a fact my cousin. Thank the Lord, my cousin was on my page. Thank the Lord, my cousin was on the page to call my damn family. You wicked demons. Thank you. Thank you, Marva. We all have to grow old one day. Perhaps it's my time to grow old now. Perhaps. But I'm not complaining. Luckily, I come on. Your backside. How do you know I wasn't calling? How do you know I wasn't calling them and I couldn't get through? So I took to my damn life. How do you know? You see, you people are so small-minded. So small-minded. Narrow-minded. Perhaps I wanted to make peace with all of them. That's why I called all of their names out. Perhaps. Did you stop to think about that? Oh, that now mad me. That one now mad me. That one unlucky. Why I couldn't say them are mad on the toe? Them now mad on the toe. They're mad in all of you too. Because they're not none of the names I called are your families. None of the names I called are your families. So clearly they're mad in all of you too. But no, it's only Dwayne they're mad in. Lies you told. No, none of you on here is mad at me. I am about to block you, Marva. I am about to block you because I feel like you are a hater. And I have no time for none of you and your unscrupulousness on my page. I know all of you hate me anyway. Backside no come for. What wanna come here for? What are you guys here for? To chastise me? To tear me down? Okay, you people have done that already. What else are you going to add on? What else are you going to add onto the roster? What else are you going to add onto the roster? Oh, I see. I know for a fact a lot of you want to see me die. A lot of you want to see my demise. You know how I know? After seeing some of those screenshots of some of those comments you people are making on my video. I'm like, wow. And you people are grown women. Chris can't mad me, darling. Lies he told. I'ma say one. I see where you're going. And you're not gonna get that satisfaction, darling. Life is way too short to be, I'm good. I know funny thing, I'm gonna block you. I'm gonna block you. Are you in for mad? Are you in for mad? Cause you clearly want him in peen and you're not gonna get it. You're not gonna get it because his peen likes men. Sit down. His peen likes men and men only. So you sit down. They're blocked. You cut. Don't cut. They're blocked. It's 999, Donna. And because it wasn't so severe, they had to drive me to the hospital. I want to chat too much. So I want to plenty paya. Put yourselves in my shoes. Do you guys think I'll be laughing at you people? No. Maybe I might have said it in a comedic way. I see some of you on here. Hey, you know, there's one person in here. I'm so happy I didn't see you. I'm so happy I never once even contemplated visiting you because, I feel like you are a snake in the grass and I want nothing to do with snakes in the grass. You understand? I hope you understand. You know who you are. I don't need to call your name. Right there, so. They have no empathy exactly, and Nicole. They don't have no empathy. You know, funny thing? They only have empathy and sympathy for a selective few on here. And my live earlier, it proved that point. It proved it in all its entirety. It proved it. You people are just not good people. And I'm so happy I cut off a lot of you. I'm so happy. I am happy. I'm so sorry, Donna. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Honest God, I hope that will never happen again. And you know, funny thing, I know for a fact there are people who's going to chastise me, ridicule me still, but that's okay. Go right ahead. Who God bless, no man, woman, or child shall cast. No man, woman, or child shall cast. Stop writing people their name on my page. Stop writing people their name on my page. Stop writing people's name on my page. Stop writing names on my page. What is wrong with you? You people need to do better. Block them. Listen, some of these people, I'm telling you one more time, these people are one-sided. They only care for a selective few. Imagine some of them on my other live was saying, die, 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 die. Hurry up and dead. That's what they was telling me. Hurry up and dead. Imagine that. Dirty boy, hurry up and dead. Shithouse, hurry up and dead. Drunk, hurry up and dead. That's what some of them were saying to me. That one there mad yo. That one there mad yo. Hurry up and dead dog shit. That is beside the point. That is beside the point. My point still stands. The fuck of them want me dead. Excuse my language. They want me to die. A lot of them want me to die. And I feel sorry for you people. I pray to God when your day comes, when your day comes to die, you can say, Father God, I've lived a fulfilled life. I am ready to die. I'm very sure no one on this planet wants to die, but it's something we all have to go through. Whether we want to die or not, we have to die. All of us. So make sure all of you are living your lives accordingly. Make sure all of you are living your lives the right way. The right way. Spread love along the way too. And stop with all of this hatred. You can't give some love. You can't give some people love, and the others you want to give them hate or spread a lot of hate on them. That doesn't make sense. What goes for one should go for all. The same way I can show a lot of you love, I expect the same in return. It's not rocket science. It is not rocket science. I'm not shouting. I am not shouting. Some of you were even gave me angry faces. What was in my life for you to be angry about? I would call out your names, but I'm not gonna give you that satisfaction. Who sounds illiterate?